Okay, so I make the border line and all, and I put the color. Okay, so I take color sky and put the color inside. Okay, done beta?
Sir,
Yes,
I got two more new colors.
you got?
I got two more new colors.
Wow, that's
It's
great.
it's leaf green and dark blue.
Oh, that's awesome. Very good. 061. Can I go ahead the next steps? Done that much? Done beta?
There.
So you can put the color first this way. Okay. Make this dress like this. Okay. And here I make the another color. Suppose to gray color we can put, like I put something color like this. Okay. Light color. Do the this color for heads and body. Okay, beta. So it's look like a old man, isn't it? You can make the uh, hair with the brown like this. Mm-hmm. Make this stick, and you can use here also body color and shoes also black or brown. You can put. Okay. You can make some design. Okay, beta. ये बन गए character. too little